Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a WordPress website. First, you need to choose a domain name, which is your website's address on the internet. Aim for something memorable and relevant. Next, select a reliable WordPress hosting provider. Hosting costs typically range from $3 to $25 per month, with many plans offering a free domain for the initial year and a crucial SSL certificate for security. Once you have your domain and hosting, it's time to install WordPress. Many hosting providers offer a simple one-click installation, making the process straightforward. After installation, you'll choose a theme. This is your website's visual foundation, so pick one that is responsive, meaning it looks great on all devices and is optimized for search engines. Look for themes with positive reviews and consistent updates. With WordPress installed and a theme chosen, you can now customize your site. Use the built-in customizer to adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand. Next, create your core pages, such as an About Us or Contact page, and organize them into intuitive navigation menus. Then, start adding your content, whether it's text, images, or videos, using the user-friendly block editor. To enhance your website's functionality, install essential plugins for security, search engine optimization, and contact forms. A caching plugin can significantly improve your site's speed. Utilize an SEO plugin to optimize your content and site structure, helping you rank higher in search results. Finally, thoroughly test your website on various devices and browsers to ensure everything works perfectly before you proudly launch it to the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.